Welcome back, guys. My name's Leland, bringing you another TA of the GRT. That's right. We're going to be talking about GRT today. We're up 8% on the day. We're at $1.89, approaching $1.90 right now. What does this mean? Before we get started, I'm going to talk about all of that. Are you tired of not making money? Are you tired of trying to buy on the momentum up and you only to see the price just crash on you and you're not making money and you're selling and you're worried within the markets? Don't worry, okay? Go buy this book. This book is going to teach you all my favorite patterns, indicators, and charts, and you can learn how to do TA like I do today. By watching my videos, you can learn how to do the TA, but this book is going to teach you why. And for the cheap price of $12.95, you can be learning today. Okay, let's move on. Let's go over to GRT. Right now, approaching the 382 on our Fibonacci retracement. You can see that is resistance. This has been resistance for us previously in the past, as we know it. Everyone's been getting really bored with GRT lately, and I just keep telling them you have to be patient. You have to be patient, because then we have days like this. Now, I'm expecting today that we're going to be breaking through the 382. That's going to be above $1.91. When we can get above $1.91, we need to go turn this into support. Looks like a little sombrero. It's cute. So you can see that this level has been resistance and support for us in the past. We had support over here. We got below it, resistance, resistance, resistance. It was support for a little bit, and then resistance. All throughout here being resistance. This is a pretty critical area for GRT to get above. I do believe once we can get above the 382, we're going to have no problem with going above $2 after that, going to 210 at our Fibonacci retracement of 50%. Once we break 50%, then we're going up to the 618. Guys, this is just a matter of time. I know you're watching all these other coins right now, and they're pumping, and you're like, man, it's alt season. The GRT's not doing anything. You have to have patience. This is the waiting game. This is what happens in crypto. Don't try to go move over to another coin and, take profits or losses or whatever you're doing and try to switch back and forth. It's all about the hodl game. And if you believe in GRT like I do, I haven't sold. I bought down over here. I took a position early, and I've just been holding on and waiting for it, and it's panning out. It's playing out, and the further you can see with this trend line that we had, this was going all the way back to about January, the beginning of this year. We had this trend line. You can clearly see that it was support, resistance, support, and a really good area, a really good line. As you can see that we've caught support even all these months later. Even right now, still running into that support. I was talking about in my video a couple of days ago that I believe when we start running into this trend line over here, that we're going to start getting pushed up. I can't remember if it was a video or a live stream, but either way, that's what I thought was going to be happening. We're going to get pushed over into this trend line, and we're going to get pushed up, and that is what's happening right now. If we go ahead and we take a look at the daily, take a look at our technicals, what's pretty exciting about this is we had our bullish cross. Okay, we had the breakout, boom, right there. We had the breakout of the formation, and then we started printing green on the histogram, looking really good. And then we started losing that momentum. We were coming back, and we were getting the retest. We needed to validate it, not once, but twice over here before we started taking lift off. Sometimes it takes a little bit more validation than other times. Other times you get the breakout, it comes back once, and then you're gone. But in GRT's instance, let me see if I can make this a little bit better. You can see that we came back twice, right there, boom, before having the resumption. So we started losing that momentum, and I was thinking, no, I don't think we're going to start shifting over into the red. I really don't think that's going to happen. What I think is going to happen is something like that happened back here, where our histogram was turning over, and we were about to go red, and that didn't happen. The momentum shifted over, and we started printing more green on the histogram. Well, you can see right now we were in the light green, but now we are printing a dark green bar on our histogram. We still have 10 more hours until the daily candle closes before we can confirm that, but that's telling me that our momentum is shifting. We can see how we just got a cross between our oscillators over here on our stochastic RSI. We had this momentum moving to the downside, and then boom, we're going to be crossing over and moving back up. You're not even overbought on the daily right now. On the RSI, you're sitting 56%. So much room to the upside, guys. There's so much room to the upside, as I am going to be expecting for GRT to be going above $3. I don't think $2 is going to be much of a challenge for GRT. Excuse me. And I do believe that we are going to be going up and hitting $3.14. That is the breakout target of this formation that we were in over here. That is what I'm going to be looking for. That is going to be taking us all the way up above the 100% retracements, right about, we'll put our trend line in right there. That is what I'm going to be looking for. But once we get past the 786 right there, that's going to be $2.56. When we get past $2.50, turn that into support, we're gone. We're going to be taking off, and we're probably going to be doubling after this top over here. And no joke, guys, these are targets that I'm looking for. I know a lot of you are getting really bored, and you're like, come on, Leland, like, this thing's been going sideways for a long time. I'm looking at the technicals, and I'm telling you, it's time. It is GRT's time. It's not going to happen overnight. It's going to take some time, but I am going to be looking up to get up to these 2618, 4618. And you know, it might happen a lot faster than you think. Why are we having this move today? What's going on? Did you guys see Bitcoin? Bitcoin having beautiful moves. Ever since we printed the daily candle yesterday, it has been nothing but green. Ethereum hit new all-time highs. We actually closed the highest 4-hour candle on Ethereum. Yeah, I know you're like, hey, this is a GRT video. Why are you talking about Ethereum and Bitcoin? Guys, this is very much a part of GRT. This is very important. If we want our altcoins to go up, we need to have Bitcoin go up as well. I know a lot of you are saying, well, that doesn't make sense. Bitcoin dominance is falling. Shouldn't Bitcoin fall as well? Shouldn't the price fall? Not necessarily. It just means more money is being allocated elsewhere. The price of Bitcoin can still go up. And that's what we're seeing. We need the price of Bitcoin to go up for all of these altcoins to follow. You can see it's alt season, guys. It is alt season. Look, Ripple's up 21% today. We have KNC up 20% today. We have Helium up 18% today. GRT is almost up 10% today. We're at $1.90 now. So it is alt season, guys. And a lot of these formations, a lot of these charts are starting to come out of their consolidation periods. They're starting to shift their momentum as Bitcoin price is going to be moving up. I'm expecting new highs for Bitcoin here pretty soon. And that is just going to be pushing the price up of everything else. When Bitcoin has its pump and we start moving sideways again, that is when you are going to see the alts really flourish in this market. They could do it before. They're not going to pump as hard as Bitcoin, but they'll move up, but they'll have their time. They definitely will have their time. I just wanted to show you guys this real quick. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and remember, it's all about the TA. I'll catch you guys in the next one.